To explain to you how time works, because I've literally never seen anybody, mathematician, quantum physicist, or anybody else, explain it correctly. You've been told that time is basically a distinct dimension, like a force which acts upon the material world. That's completely incorrect. You've heard a lot of people say time is a construct, time isn't real, time is an illusion. That is true, but not in the way that they're saying it is. So how do we know that time has passed? Let's keep it real simple and talk about a clock or a watch. Inside of that clock or watch, the inner mechanics, there's these little gears, and the gears turn and move the little hands on the clock, and that's how we know time is passing. In our most advanced contemporary timepieces, they're using what's called atomic clocks, okay, and that has an atom of cesium. And the revolution of the electron in cesium is very consistent, okay? And there's X amount of revolutions of the electron around the atom, which equal 1 second. And that's how they can keep really good time over the course of hundreds, if not thousands of years. This is actually the key to unlocking the mystery of time. You see, the revolution of that electron around the cesium is time. We have these clocks to represent seconds and hours, but those aren't real. Those are arbitrary constructs for us to be able to measure time really well. But what's really happening is it's the movement of matter and energy. And so there's no such thing as time. There is such thing as process. Because if you put that clock or that watch in a small box and you reduce the temperature to absolute zero, time would no longer pass within that box. Outside, looking at the box, time would pass. But what is different about inside the box and outside the box? Well, there's no heat. Therefore, there's no energy, because heat is an expression of energy. And if there's no energy, there's no movement. So time isn't time. What we call time is just the process of energy and the movement of materials because of that energy. In any amount of space where there's zero energy, there is also zero time. So time's not real. Energy, it's literally the energetic process, the momentum of the universe, because matter and energy moves. So when we talk about dimensions of time and timelines, none of that's real. None of it's real. We have to start seeing the universe for what it really is. Time is just a really bad map on top of the real territory.